If you frequently analyze properties with similar deal structures, such as those in the same city or asset type, you can save time by creating a reusable template. Instead of starting from scratch, import a template with pre-filled details and adjust only what's necessary for each new analysis. Let's dive into both of these methods, starting with how to create a property analysis template from scratch. Let's say you're frequently analyzing self-storage facilities in the Dallas area and find yourself repeating the same steps and wasting valuable time. First, click the Add Property button to create a new property and give it a descriptive name, something like Dallas Metro Self-Storage Template. Fill out all the required fields, then click Save. Next, enter your common deal inputs, pro forma assumptions, investor return models, and any creative financing details. Once everything is complete, export your template to your SpeedAlyzer data folder for safekeeping, and that's it. Now you can import that template anytime you're analyzing a similar self-storage property in the Dallas metro area. Now let's look at the second method, renaming an existing property you want to keep as a template. Let's turn our Pinewood Apartments property in Atlanta into a template. Start by selecting the property from your My Property list, then double-click the property name field to edit it. Rename the property with something descriptive, like Atlanta Metro Multifamily Template, and press Enter to save the change. SpeedAlyzer will automatically update the name. Once you've made any additional adjustments, export the file to your SpeedAlyzer data folder to keep it saved as a template. You can later import that template anytime you're analyzing a similar multifamily property in the Atlanta metro area. Just click the Import button from the ribbon menu. Open your SpeedAlyzer data folder, select the template, and click OK. Your template will be added to your My Property list and ready for use. For instructions for importing and exporting property analyses, watch our tutorial Importing and Exporting an Analysis, linked in the description below. Well, this wraps up our tutorial on the creating property analysis templates. We trust that our streamlined entry process will accelerate your deal analysis. After all, minutes matter in real estate. Make informed decisions fast with SpeedAlyzer. To view more tutorials, visit our iHeartCRE YouTube channel and subscribe for further insights and updates.